Alright, today I want to go over Ethereum and my expectations for ETH. Will ETH go to 10K or will ETH plateau out at 5K? Who knows? But basically what my channel is about, I specifically talk about low cap AI coins or just low cap crypto in general. So I know a lot of channels they don't go in depth or talk about the same low cap coins that I talk about. Most channels they talk about just mega cap coins. They talk about XRP. They talk about Solana, or they just talk about things that's good for the algorithm. But is it really helping you make money? Have you really seen any benefits from the larger channel as far as like crypto growth and whatever coins you invested in? So I want to talk about the Ethereum coins that I'm looking at, and just show you how much these coins could move compared to Ethereum. So a lot of people screaming Ethereum going to be 10K, is going to hit 10K, but you can make a lot of money on low cap coins well before Ethereum even hit 10K. In reality, Ethereum don't have to hit 10K for you to make a decent amount of money if you buy the right coins. If you buy low and buy low cap coins and coins that have actual good utility, you could front run the whole run before Ethereum even gets started. For example, let me show you some low cap coins. Let's take a look at ZK So right now, it's sitting at a $1.5 million market cap. As you know, Ethereum, we're sitting right below 2,000. Right now, 2,000 is pretty much going to be our resistance. So as long as we stay below 2,000, we can possibly go lower and possibly break below 1,800. Until we clear 2,000 and break through it, right now we're still in a small, extremely short-term bearish environment. So right now we need to break through this 2,000 level and hold it before we can see any like significant movement. And this consolidation right here, this might drag out for the rest of the month. We may not see a breakout until April. But if you go back and look at the March 2021 of last bull cycle, you'll see that Ethereum didn't really get moving to the end of March, going through April and May. So right now it's theoretically following the same pattern. I know we're just anxious. We want stuff to run now. We got good news, and you think everything's supposed to run immediately after we get good news. But the market already knows its moves. They already know what moves it's gonna make. So you don't even have to sit here and watch the news every day. The news is just micro manipulation, day-to-day manipulation. But the market overall is gonna go where it's gonna go anyway. So don't get caught up into the day-to-day news and your emotions are up and down. Crypto is gonna be all right this year. You just can't expect it to run overnight just because you got good news, or get down in the press when you hear bad news come out just to manipulate the market in the short term. They can't keep crypto down. They're going to do whatever in their power to try to keep it down. But ultimately, when they run out of negative news, when they realize the tariffs are not actually causing inflation, crypto is going to run. The stock market is at a little reset too. The stock market is going to do well this year. This reset, it's all planned. Everything is planned when it's reset. This when the rich people, they sell the top when the market is overbought. They crash the market and they buy low again. People, big money corporations don't want to overpay for stocks or crypto. They want to get it at the cheapest possible. So that's how you buy crypto. But if you look at ZKAI, there's a lot of other good tokens also, but we're going to focus on this one. This one's up 52% in one day. 52%. And it went up 52% all because Ethereum, it went up a lot, maybe 2%. Ethereum looks like it want to run, but it haven't quite moved yet. But one little bitty inch move up from Ethereum, this thing blasted up. It's like ready to take off. It just waiting on Ethereum to do its thing. So once Ethereum finish consolidating and break above 2K, then we'll hit 25K and 3K. This thing, by the time Ethereum hit 3,000, this thing will be sitting at maybe a $4 million market cap. That'd be a 4x. And these things move up aggressively. So you don't have to wait on Ethereum to hit 10K in order for you to make a lot of money. If you buy right, you can hit your financial goal by the time ETH hit 5K, and you'll be like, I made enough, I hit my goal, I want to take 80% of my profit off the table. And you can do that. So that's the beauty of investing in low cap coins. So do your research. Don't wait on people to hype up a coin. Make sure you're paying attention to the value of the token. Make sure you're paying attention to the market cap. They call it a low cap gem for a reason. Buy low, sell high. With that being said, I'm out.